potential behind computer science.
Also themselves, I have received 3 Microsoft certificates in my freshman year, which is very beneficial in the future. I plan on doing a part-time job related to computer science and majoring in design.
Hello everyone, my name is Lynn and I'm currently taking Exploring Computer Science. The reason I'm interested in computer science because the majority is math and I'm like a math person. Secondly, computer science is really popular major right now and it's easy to find a job. Besides, you also learn about cyber security, which also help you to protect your information online.
Hi, I'm Jenny and I'm the Girls Who Code historian, and this has enriched my learning of the computer science field.
Hi, my name is Born and I'm currently a junior and I'm taking computer science. I take computer science to further develop my skills and to get a hands-on feel of like what I want to do. And I've fixed electronics in the past and have experience with coding as well.
Hi, my name is Scott Russo and I'm a senior at Tucker. I'm currently taking AP Computer Science A. And it's an interesting class because it allowed me to get a perspective on something I'd never really done before. I'd never coded before I took this class. And a lot of the concepts in it carry over to a lot of different things I do in my life, like my other classes. It promotes a new way of problem solving and investigating things that you don't understand and looking at things you don't understand to figure out a way to break it down and make tasks easier for yourself. And I think that a lot of the different things we learn about, like classes and methods and Java, are all very useful in a modern life for people to understand with how universal technology is becoming. I think that it's a wonderful opportunity for people in high school to learn about it now and not have to learn about it only when they need to use it.
Hi, I'm Jared Howard.
And I'm Lucas Espinosa.
And we're here to tell you why to take computer science. Lucas, why should kids take computer science?
I think that computer science helps lay a foundation in problem-solving skills and critical thinking, and I think that's a really transferable topic that you can kind of bring to anywhere in your life.
Facts. You heard it here first, folks. Take computer science.